Hi everyone, background knowledge on algebra, linear inequalities. Linear inequality, it's not equal. Take the same form as linear equation, except they contain an inequality sign, greater than, less than, or greater or equal, or less or equal than, instead of an inequality sign. An example of linear inequalities. We perform the same operation as when we solve linear equations, except when we change places, the sign changes. If this goes to the other side and this goes to this side, then now this one is greater than what's here. Of course, multiplying or dividing both sides by negative reverses the inequality sign. So this is why we're doing this lesson here, is when we multiply or divide by negative number, it reverses. For example, minus 3x and minus 27. I multiply both sides by minus 1. Then the sign changes from less than or equal to more than or equal to. We do not multiply or divide both sides by an expression. We don't divide by x both sides because we don't know its sign, if it's positive or negative. For example, so like with linear inequalities, we do the inverse operation. So 4x is more than 20. 4 is positive. I can divide freely by 4. So x is greater than 5. 7 minus 2x less than or equal to 20. Subtracting 7 from both sides, we get minus 2x less than or equal to 13, because that's the original one. By now, when we divide both sides by negative 2, we reverse the inequality sign. So x, instead of less than or equal to, like here, it is now greater than or equal to 13 over minus 2. That's the final solution. Here, we can divide freely. X, keep the sign the same. X is less than or equal to 7. What happens here? Minus 5 on both sides. X over 3 less than minus 1. We multiply both sides by 3 because we want to isolate the x. Multiplying by positive 3 doesn't change the sign, so it's x less than minus 3. Here, subtracting 7 from both sides, minus x over 2 more than 4 minus 7, which is minus 3. Multiplying both sides by 2, x minus x greater than minus 6. Now I want to divide both sides by minus 1 to get rid of the negative sign. So x, and now the sign changes, is less than 6. Because we divided by a negative number. Continue. Let's see. Okay, 5. Multiplying by 5 both sides. 9 minus x less than 15. Subtracting 9. Minus x less than 6. Dividing by minus 1. X is now more than, the sign has changed. And that is minus 6, because 6 divided by minus 1 is minus 6. On another way to do it is just move the minus x to this one, to this side by adding, and you'll see. Let's see, I add plus x to both sides, and 0 is less than x minus x plus 6. And we're subtracting minus 6 from both sides. Minus 6 is less than x, which is the same as x is more than minus 6. Just a different approach, all the same. Let's do this one. First, to solve for x, we need to expand. 4x minus 12 less than 3x plus 15. Now I'll subtract 3x from both sides, so I get x minus 12 less than 15. Adding 12 to both sides, x is less than 27. Final solutions, good luck. Linear inequalities, linear equations, inequality sign, we saw the different signs. Equality sign, interchanging the sides, moving one term to one to the other side, reverses the inequality sign, changing it from more than, greater than to less than, negative, and solving for x. Good luck. Practice and see that it works for you.